Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. H. In this video, we will be exploring long division method as one of the methods in dividing polynomials. Let's take a look at the first example. Divide 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 10x plus 4 by 2x minus 1. We will have p of x equals d of x times q of x plus r of x. So first, what we need to do is to rewrite the given. 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 10x plus 4 divided by, get 2x minus 1. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So we have 4x cubed divided by 2x, which is 2x squared. After doing the division, so we got 2x squared for the quotient. So what we need to do is to multiply the 2x squared first by 2x. So 2x squared times 2x is going to give us 4x cubed. So remember to write the product in line with the term from the dividend. Next, we multiply 2x squared times negative 1, which is going to give us negative 2x squared. So after multiplying, we need to subtract the product that we got from the first two terms of the dividend. So we're going to have 4x cubed minus 4x cubed is 0. So we cancel that out. Then we have 6x squared minus negative 2x squared is going to give us 8x squared. And the next thing we need to do is to bring down negative 10x. And then we're going to repeat the same process. So first, let me erase this one. All right. Now, so we've got 8x squared minus 10x here. So whatever we did in step 1, we just need to do the same thing. So first, we'll get 8x squared divided by 2x, positive 4x. And then we multiply 4x by 2x is going to give us 8x squared. 4x times negative 1 is negative 4x. We proceed with subtraction. All right, 8x squared minus 8x squared is 0. So we cancel that out. Negative 10x minus negative 4x is going to give us negative 6x. And we bring down 4, instead of 4. Then we are going to repeat the same process. So negative 6x divided by 2x is negative 3. Negative 3 multiplied by 2x is going to give us negative 6x. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 1 is positive 3. Then proceed with subtraction. So negative 6x minus negative 6x is actually going to give us 0. So we just cancel it out. Positive 4 minus positive 3 is going to give us positive 1. You have here the q of x. You have here the remainder, r of x. And to write the final answer, so 4x cubed or plus 6x squared minus 10x plus 4 is equal to our q of x, or d of x rather, is 2x minus 1, which is our divisor. multiplied by q of x. Q of x is 2x squared plus 4x minus 3, and our remainder is positive 1, so plus 1. Have here our p of x equals to, no, d of x times q of x plus r of x, based on the division algorithm. Write it this way too. So you have 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 10x plus 4 divided by, the divisor is 2x minus 1, will be equal to q of x, which is 2x squared plus 4x minus 3 plus the remainder, which is 1 over 2x minus 1. All right, let's move to the second example. So as you can see here, our p of x, or the dividend, only has x to the fourth. The degree is 4, and it jumps straight to the constant. So we're missing 3 terms here. So you don't have the term for x cubed, you don't have the term for x squared, you don't have the term for x. So what we need to do first is to rewrite the dividend. So x to the fourth, and since we don't have the terms for x cubed, x squared, and x, we can fill it in with 0 x squared, x cubed first, plus 0 x squared, plus 0x minus 9. So our divisor is x squared plus 2x plus 3. Know that 0x cubed is actually equal to 0. So technically, we didn't change the actual value of the expression. So 0x cubed, 0x squared, and 0x are actually 0. It actually doesn't affect the value of the expression. So once you have already completed the terms in descending order of exponents, then we can proceed with the division straight away. So applying the same rules that we did in question 1, so we're gonna divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So x to the fourth divided by x squared is x squared. And we multiply, x squared is actually x to the fourth. X squared times 2x is 2x cubed. X squared times positive 3 is positive 3x squared. What we need to do next is to subtract. So x to the fourth minus x to the fourth is 0. So we cancel that out. So 0x cubed minus 2x cubed is negative 2x cubed. 0x squared minus 3x squared is negative 3x squared. Then we simply bring down 0x. So we repeat the process. So negative 2x cubed divided by x squared is negative 2x. Negative 2x times x squared is negative 2x cubed. Next, negative 2x times positive 2x is negative 4x squared. negative 2x times positive 3 is negative 6x. Then we carry on with the subtraction. So negative 2x cubed minus negative 2x cubed is actually 0. So we cancel that out. Negative 3x squared minus negative 4x squared is positive x squared. 0x minus negative 6x is positive 6x. And then we bring down negative 9. Then we divide x squared by x squared is positive 1. Then we multiply 1 times x squared is x squared. Positive 1 times 2x is positive 2x. Positive 1 times positive 3 is positive 3. Then we subtract. So basically x squared will be cancelled out. You got 6x minus 2x is positive 4x. Negative 9 minus 3 is negative 12. All right, so to write the final answer, so we can say that p of x is x to the power of 4 minus 9 will be equal to d of x is our divisor. So you have x squared plus 2x plus 3 times the q of x, which is x squared minus 2x plus 1. And our remainder, and this is our q of x, by the way. So remainder is plus 4x minus 12. So if you want to write it the other way, you have x to the power of 4 minus 9 divided by the divisor, which is x squared plus 2x plus 3 will be equal to the quotient, or the q of x, is x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus the remainder, which is 4x minus 12 divided by the d of x, which is x squared plus 2x plus 3. All right, for your challenge, please grab your pen and paper and answer this question. Find the remainder of x cubed plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So once you have your answer, please remember to write a comment below. And if you think that you learned something new from this video, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.